In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get my Bitbucket password. While Bitbucket doesn't display your existing password, you can securely update it through your Atlassian account, which Bitbucket uses for sign-in. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can change your password quickly and safely. Start by opening your browser and going to bitbucket.org. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Atlassian credentials. Remember, Bitbucket and other Atlassian products share the same account, so you're updating one password that applies across services. Once you're on Bitbucket, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile avatar. Click it to open the menu, then choose Account Settings. This takes you to your Atlassian Account Hub, where you manage personal details, security, and connected products. Inside the account settings, find and click Security. This is where password controls live, along with options like two-step verification. We're focusing on the password section today. Here, you'll be asked to enter your current password first. This is a security check to confirm it's really you making the change. Type your existing password carefully and make sure you're on a trusted device and network. If you can't remember your current password, pause here and use the standard password recovery link from the sign-in page later, then return to this screen once you've regained access. Next, enter your new password. Choose something strong and unique. Aim for at least 12 characters, mixing uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites. A password manager can help you generate and store this securely so you don't have to memorize it. Some interfaces may ask you to confirm the new password in a second field. If you see that, enter it exactly the same way. When you're confident everything is correct, click Save Changes. The system will update your Atlassian account password, which means it applies to Bitbucket as well. You may be asked to sign in again. That's normal after a security change. If you use Git from the command line or a desktop client, you might be prompted to re-enter your credentials the next time you push or pull. If you rely on API passwords for Git or integrations, those are separate from your main account password and won't be changed here. That's it. You went to Bitbucket, opened your profile menu, entered account settings, navigated to security, confirmed your current password, set a new one, and saved. For extra protection, consider enabling two-step verification in the same security area when you're ready. Thanks for watching, and keep your credentials safe.